The Logitech MX Anywhere 2 is a compact, high-performance wireless mouse designed for professionals and travelers seeking versatility and precision. Building upon the success of its predecessor, the MX Anywhere, this model introduces enhancements in design, connectivity, and functionality. Design and build quality. Crafted with a sleek, low-profile design, the MX Anywhere 2 offers a comfortable grip suitable for various hand sizes. Its ambidextrous shape, complemented by rubber side grips, ensures ease of use for both right and left-handed users. The mouse is constructed from high-quality materials, providing a durable feel despite its lightweight nature. Notably, it features a built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Connectivity and compatibility. One of the standout features of the MX Anywhere 2 is its dual connectivity options. Users can connect via the included Logitech unifying receiver or through Bluetooth smart technology, allowing seamless pairing with multiple devices. The mouse supports Easy Switch technology, enabling users to switch effortlessly between up to 3 devices with the press of a button. Performance and features. Equipped with Logitech's dark field laser sensor, the MX Anywhere 2 delivers precise tracking on virtually any surface, including glass and high-gloss surfaces. This capability ensures reliable performance in diverse environments, from office desks to coffee shops. Battery life. The integrated rechargeable battery provides impressive longevity, with a full charge lasting up to 2 months, depending on usage. A quick charge feature offers a full day of usage from just a 4-minute charge, minimizing downtime and ensuring continuous productivity. Overall, the Logitech MX Anywhere 2 stands out as a versatile and reliable wireless mouse, particularly suited for users requiring a portable solution without compromising on performance. Its robust feature set, combined with a sleek design and strong build quality, justifies its position as a premium offering in the compact mouse market. While it comes at a higher price point, the investment is worthwhile for those prioritizing functionality and portability in their peripherals. Thank you so much.